Hi everyone, welcome back. So we found another interesting activity, actually really fun. Elisa and Liana have already started. It's about the four sons that we read about in the Agada: the Rasha, the Chacham, the Rasha, the Tam, and the one that She'eno Yodea Lishol, right? The one that does not know how to ask. We found some cups, paper cups at home. What we did is that, look close. We got the area where the face would be, and we drew a what?
A face.
We drew a body, right? And another cup.
And
Yeah.
we put in, and we get another cup, and then we put the face cup into the cup, and if you want it to be happy, then you turn the cup to happy, like this.
Very nice, thank you. So Liana basically presented my transition. We can use this cup actually not just for the Arba Banim, the four sons from the Agada, but actually to talk about emotions and feelings. And especially nowadays that we are at home, things can get sometimes difficult and in other times more difficult. And it's very important to give space and recognition to the different emotions that we experience during this time. So, the Arba Banim, Chacham, Rasha, Tam, She'eno Yodea Lishol, all in one cup and different faces. You can see what this, I think, Elise did yesterday, and this is what Liana did. You can use different things at home. Again, the crayons, toilet roller, right, and a paper with different faces. Liana, you made it, right? Okay. Okay, very nice. Alright. And again, glitters.
You found the gold.
I did! Can you imagine? Sharpies, if you need. Scissors, and anything that really can help you.
But this is a Mora marker, not a Sharpie.
It's a Mora marker?
Yeah, because in my class we have one of these markers and we call them Mora markers.
Good idea. I
Because
should use that.
only Moras are allowed to use it.
Very nice.
And you're a Mora, so you're allowed to use it.
I'm not a Mora, I'm a More.
No, you're a teacher, and that's a teacher marker.
But a boy teacher is a More. Right? And a girl teacher is a
Mora.
Mora. Okay. So, Arba Banim, emotions, and many other ways to talk about how your kids feel nowadays and preparing for the Chag. So, good luck to you. Chag Sameach.